So this old Syracuse come in for a replacement butt plate and a cleaning. It's been sitting for some time. All the years it's been in storage, the action's gummed up. So as I proceeded to start on this, looking it over, I noticed the name Paul Bryant on the trigger guard. For those of you that don't know, Paul Bear Bryant, was the coach of Alabama football up until he died in, I think, 1983. So I reached out to the customer to ask him if he was aware of this, and he says yes. So he sends a trophy that come with the shotgun that stated 1965, presented to Paul Bear Bryant. Now, is that cool or what? Alabama football coach Paul Bear Bryant's double barrel Syracuse.